This video explains the tutorial for connecting the MOVNORM series monitor to the Canon R6 II camera via Wi-Fi. Open the camera menu and navigate to the Network tab. Select Connect to EOS Utility. Select Add a device to connect to. Remember SID password. On the monitor screen, tap to open the menu. Click Camera, turn on Wi-Fi, then select Add new device. Choose your camera, enter the SID password correctly, and click OK. Wait approximately 5 seconds and exit the menu. The camera menu will then display a Start Pairing Devices notice. If this notice does not appear, check if the SID password was entered correctly. Select OK. When Connect to the PC appears, the camera connection is successful. Exit the camera menu. Tap the monitor screen again to open the camera control menu. Click Rec to start or stop recording. Click Focus to activate tracking focus. Click Iris to adjust the aperture value. Click Shutter to modify the shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's ISO settings. Click Focus in MF mode. Use buttons to adjust focus manually. In AF mode, enable touch to focus on the monitor screen. Click the camera mode icon to switch recording modes. Click WB to change white balance presets. When white balance is set to color temperature, click CT to fine-tune the color temperature. If ISO is set to auto, click EV to adjust exposure compensation. That's all for the MOVNORM series monitor Wi-Fi wireless control R6 II camera tutorial.